Now let us see how the for loop works, what options do we have in the for loop, and how we can use it for various purposes that we have in programming, because this is one of the most comprehensively used loop in any language. So the most common form of a for loop is the first part. It has three parts. The first part, most commonly we use it for initialization. Second part we keep is for a check, and the third part we have for increment or decrement, and then we have the body of the loop. So this is the main design of a for loop that we most commonly use. So I'll just declare something in the loop and have some output. So for the initialization, I put down int I is equal to 0, I less than 10, and we can say I plus plus. And in the loop, we can say I is equal to plus I. So this is the bare is simple way to write a for loop. Now let us see the output, and then we'll see how the flow of the loop works. So this is a loop which will work from I equal to 0 to I equal to 9. So this is how it is working, I equal to 0 to I equal to 9. Now the flow of the loop is that this part, which is the initialization, is run first, then the system shifts to check, and in case the check is okay or true, it goes to the body, then goes to the increment, again check, then body, again increment, again check. So this means in case the check is not true, the first time, the loop may not run at all. So in this case, the loop does not run at all. So the initialization, after the initialization, the check is performed before any execution of the body. So this is the first rule we must note down. So I'll just put down some rules here. Check is performed after initialization, and then body, and then incrementation, and again check. So if I make this plus plus I instead of I plus plus, does it make any difference to the loop? Oh, there's an extra. Just move this. Put a comment. We got for stacks and class. So in case I put on plus plus I instead of I plus plus, does it make any difference to the output we get for the loop? No. This is because I plus plus or plus plus I in itself mean I is equal to I plus 1. So independently they don't make any difference to the value. So you can see it is again the same output 0 to 9.